Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up GraphQL server with Apollo and React, full guide step by step clearly. To set up a GraphQL server with Apollo and React, first, start by ensuring you have node.js and npm installed on your machine. Next, create a new directory for your project. Use the command line to navigate to that directory. Run the command npm init to initialize a new node.js project. Install the required packages for your server by running npm install apollo server GraphQL. Create a new file named server.js in your project folder. Inside server.js, import the necessary modules by adding const apollo server GQL equals require apollo server. Define your GraphQL schema using the GQL template literal. For example, create a simple type definition for a book. Add queries to fetch books and possibly add a mutation to create a new book. Next, create a resolver object that maps the queries and mutations to their respective functions. Instantiate the Apollo server by passing in the type definitions and resolvers. Call the listen method to start your server, and log the URL where it's running. Open a new terminal window and create the React application using npx create React app client. Navigate into the client directory. Install Apollo client in GraphQL by running npm install at apollo/client GraphQL. In your React app, create a new file named apolloprovider.js. Import the necessary Apollo client modules and set the URI to point to your GraphQL server. Wrap your main application component with Apollo provider in index.js. Next, create components to fetch and display data from your GraphQL server. Use the useQuery hook from Apollo client to execute your GraphQL queries. Handle loading states and display error messages as needed. In your component, map through the data received from the server and render it on the screen. Test your application by running both the GraphQL server and React client. Make sure data flows correctly between the front end and back end. Finally, refine your application by adding styles and enhancing the user experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.